As in, okay na okay po kami. Kaya nagulat po ako when people would go up to me and be like, ganito, ganyan. Hindi ko po alam na naging issue din po siya sa labas. But for anyone asking, me and Harvey are okay. We're totally good. If anything, we have gotten stronger because the time apart and the time of not having communication made us stronger individually. So now that we're back together and we chose to be with each other, has made us so much stronger. Though may mga issues, alam ko po na may nagsisirculate, but he knows me eh. People know me na when I feel close to a person, with Darren, nakikita niyo naman po ako with Darren na ganun po talaga ako with no malicia, no meaning at all. And I clarified so many times at that house na may jowa nga po ako, na may Harvey po ako. And and ano po, like yung tingin ko sa kanya, let's talk about it now. Kay Michael sa bahay, I would tell him all the time na you're like my Darren. You're like my Canadian buddy na iba kasi yung feeling pag connected home. Connected to home. Yes, na I know the things I say, he won't take it in a different way. But he really did, truly, made me feel like home, made me feel like Vancouver. Because we're both from Vancouver po kasi. As in, we know details about our school life, ganun po. So, he made me feel like home. And Harvey understood that, and we've been good since then.
Diba? Sa mga pagsagot mo na ganyan, napa-comment ang isa sa mga kapamilya natin, si Jackie from Facebook.